welcome to Bonnie and Bonbon. We finished Bonnie's stage the other day, and let's go see what Fun Time Freddy and Bonbon are doing. Hi guys.
Hi.
What you doing?
We're gonna use. I'm gonna use my magic powers, and we're gonna build the computer corner.
Cool.
So we can do all that editing stuff and awesome stuff.
Yeah.
And if you haven't seen in the previous video, this is Lolbit's TV just right over there. There's multiple colors. There's green, there's blue, there's white, and there's red.
And it looks way cooler in the dark.
Yeah. And so, yeah, we're going to start the
building.
Yeah. Okay. So, first we're going to do the base of the table.
Okay. Get up.
So,
the base of the table.
It's going to have to be square.
Yeah, the base of the
so
table.
We can put a laptop on it. It's going to be in the corner.
But it's not going to be real. For us, it will.
The computer corner. The computer corner. It's hard magic.
So,
yeah, we just are really good at magic. Well, I am.
Bonnie's.
Anyways.
Well, Bonnie's. Never mind.
We're pretty sure Bonnie's gonna be here later today.
Yeah.
Right, guys?
Because he finished. He said, he texted us and said he flew here in an envelope.
Yes, he literally did.
Yeah.
He even.
And then he's at the airport driving here right now.
Yes. And a little bit's gonna.
Or he's at the snack bar downstairs. Eating fruit snacks.
About our beautiful snack bar.
He's probably eating snacks down there.
Probably is.
He's probably already here. Eating snacks.
We're not sure yet, but we're just gonna continue this video.
Okay, let's go see what they're doing.
We got one leg on this freaking table. So it's gonna be like this. There's pretty much actually only gonna be a leg here, here, and here. It's gonna be attached to here. So
a big computer or a small computer?
It's going to be a small computer.
Like a laptop. Small. Ooh, nice table.
Hey, could you hold this from them, Foxy?
Yes.
Okay, we need another leg for this table. It'll cut. Oh my goodness, wow, this is not working well. We're gonna have to tape this leg together, and the other one too, I guess. So they don't fall apart while we're doing our computer work. There we go. We got one solid table leg right now. Working out pretty well. This magic is very tiring, if you guys were wondering. Very, very tiring, and yes, it's real magic. Very real. And so, yeah, we're super excited for, so go explain them our schedule stuff. Okay, Fun Time Foxy?
So we're going to show it to them?
Just go explain it.
Okay. Here's
Like
the
what
tape
days we
you
do
needed.
what. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Where's the paper?
I don't think we need the paper for now. You can just explain what
I
you're
don't
doing
remember what it says.
You don't?
No, I never remember things.
Oh, it's over here.
Oh.
On the floor. For some strange reason.
Sunday is our planning day. Monday, we're going to do something. It's like roleplay medieval times.
Is our roleplay.
And then,
which is, we're going to do that today.
Tuesdays are kidnapping, murder, and stuff. And then ultimate hide and seek for Thursday, and then Friday, kidnapping, murder, and then Saturday, medieval, and then down here, you see why it just says exploring? It's because we're going somewhere.
And it's going to be an adventure. So
yeah, and we're going to be doing stuff and multiple videos a day. So, yeah, and that was a loud beep that you don't need to know what it was because I don't know what it was.
Because my magic wears off sometimes and it just makes a loud beep.
That was actually Bonbon's screech.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Don't make fun of me.
He screeches when he activates his magic. Or when it deactivates.
Now we just need to attach one more chair leg, and then
here
it will be
done.
Oh yeah, and then we'll have to make our epic laptop.
Yeah, which will take actually no.
It'll be pretty fast and easy.
We'll just get a piece and and then we're done.
Yep.
Yeah, and then
This is a quick building video. If you haven't seen our other videos, please do check those out.
And the failing video that didn't work at all. So
Which
that was
one?
sad. The one when we tried to build our stage.
Oh, we didn't post that though.
I know. The failing video we didn't post because it failed.
Yeah, it epically failed.
It failed on us!
We had a lot of bad news in the last video we did.
Lots. The delay a little bit.
Yeah. Good thing he's going to be here tomorrow.
So, yeah.
And
what
we got table.
Tables.
Okay. Just got tape here. And tape it up here.
Tables.
Like that.
Can I make the computer?
No, I'm going to make the computer.
Why?
Because I'm the builder, because I have all the magic.
No.
Yeah, I'm just
Bonbon's the only one with the magic. So technically, I need Bonbon's the builder.
Yeah. Okay then. Have it your way.
Ah, it's my way. I'm bored.
Okay, be bored.
Should I talk to him about something or something?
Yes, exactly.
Like what?
I don't know. Just talk. Okay.
What would I say then?
I don't know.
You're acting weird.
I'm not acting weird.
You are weird.
I'm not weird. I'm just a bear. Okay? I'm just a bear.
You're a white and pink and purple bear.
Yeah, and I look beautiful.
That's messed up.
No,
and you have a bunny on your hand, which you should be eating.
No, I shouldn't, because it's my best friend.
Bears
and
eat
people
bunnies.
don't eat friends.
Bears eat bunnies, so...
Okay.
Foxes eat bunnies. Bears eat foxes, I guess.
We're going to need a pencil.
So you should be eating everyone.
Hey, Foxy, how about you go get a pencil? Okay?
Where would I get a pencil?
Whoa, it's a magic pencil.
I found a pencil!
You found a pencil?
Why is my... Oh, wait, no. That was stuck to my hair. Here, pencil.
Thank you.
A pencil. Magical pencil. I use my magic. I guess I have magic now. You don't!
Okay, we gotta make it.
I have a genie in my speaker. I found an eraser. It fell out of the sky.
Oh.
Because I
thought
of an eraser, and then it fell. It landed in my hand.
Well, you better not think of
Heavens gave me. Why would I think of you? Heavens
do.
gave me an
You.
eraser and a pencil.
Okay.
He's probably just a little bit in the clouds, flying. And then he threw an envelope at us.
We are going
Not an envelope, an eraser and a pencil, because he hears us. He stalks us like creepy stalker people. Like someone I know, which is vulgar. He's a creepy stalker person. And are you gonna say anything to me?
Oh, I just got distracted in my awesomeness.
It's not awesomeness. What are you drawing?
We're not drawing. We're making the computer screen. Don't question how awesome it is.
I'm not questioning how awesome it is. I never even said it's not awesome in the first place.
You're so mean.
Say anything. I didn't say it was.
Okay, don't question why it's a cat. It's just we decided that our home screen will be a cat. So, yeah. And almost presto. We're almost presto. We might add stuff to our humble, like, posters. Yeah, we might make posters and make them all colorful.
Okay.
Wait, we're not done. We still need more tape. More tape. More tape. Okay, guys, we finished the computer room.
Talking in this video.
I have to.
Now you have.
Okay. So what?
Talk to them.
Okay, so we finished the computer corner. It's pretty awesome. We'll add stuff in the future. But, yeah, you guys can just have an awesome look at it right now after I clean up.